Are you trying to connect your HP Deskjet printer to Wi-Fi, but not sure how? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect any HP Deskjet printer to a wireless network easily. HP Deskjet Printer, Wi-Fi network and password, computer or smartphone, internet connection. Before we start, make sure your printer is powered on. You know your Wi-Fi password, and your computer or phone is connected to the same network. Method 1. Connect HPD ESKJET TOW Wi-Fi USNG HP Smart App. Step 1. Reset network settings. Printer control panel. First, we'll reset the printer's network settings. Press and hold the Cancel X and black color buttons together for 5 seconds until the blue light starts blinking. Some models use wireless plus cancel buttons. Step 2. Install HP Smart App. Website 123.hp.com. Now, open a browser on your computer or phone and go to 123.com. Download and install the HP Smart App. Step 3. Add printer to Wi-Fi. HP Smart App Setup screen. Open the HP Smart App and click Set up a new printer. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and click Continue. Step 4. Wait for connection. Progress bar. Wait for the setup to complete. Once connected, the blue wireless light on your printer will stop blinking. Method 2. Connect USNG WPS button optional. Router plus printer. If your router supports WPS, press the WPS button on your router. Then press and hold the wireless button on the printer for 3 seconds. The printer will automatically connect to Wi-Fi. Test print. Printing test page. To confirm the connection, print a test page from the HP Smart App. Troubleshooting tips. On screen text, restart printer and router. Check Wi-Fi password. Keep printer close to router. Use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If your printer doesn't connect, restart both the printer and router, double check the Wi-Fi password, and make sure you're using a 2.4